Hi everyone, today I'm taking you to the place called Kanom Jean. It's the southern crab curry with the Kanom Jean. Normally you can find this in many places and I order many of them, ton of them, lots of restaurants. I have tried this. Me and my wife only love this one. We fall in love into this restaurant because of their special recipe that they mixed it well. Normally the southern food is really spicy, but they make it mild to make sure the central people can have it easy and it's really delicious. The most famous dish here, the fermented rice noodles and the curry crab, is gonna be really delicious. We also have something else like the prawn cakes and jaw, which is the crab that wrap into the tofu. Very good. Alright, this is it what we are coming for today, Kanom Jean, and you can see it's creamy, topped with the dry prick hang, which is going to be really nice to go along with. Kanom Jean normally come in something like this. This is 3 colors, come with the gold leaf, the pure gold leaf. The owner say make sure that it is pure gold, otherwise you eat it, you'll have trouble with your tummy. And of course, fresh vegetables, something that you cannot miss. I'm sorry guys, the clip that has been eaten and explaining has gone. I don't know where it's gone to. Anyway, the crab curry here is really amazing. Come with big fat chunk. It's just reflects the price we pay for, and the creamy curry is just something that you can find anywhere else. Apart from that, we also have this crab house bowl. Crab house is really famous for beef, chicken, pork, but now we have the crab, and this is really delicious. Seems like we finished.
Yes.
What is your opinion of this restaurant? Whether it's worth travel this way because it's quite far from the city?
Yeah, I mean, for me, I like to travel for food. This is not too far from my house personally because I live in Western Bangkok, so this only takes 30-40 minutes for me. So I would personally, because I love Kanom Jean Nam Ya Po so much, and I love like proper fat pieces of crab, like big fresh pieces of crab, I would definitely travel here. And the crab kapow was great as well, so I think it's worth the travel time. But if you're in Sukhumvit, they do have one in Udom Suk as well, so if you're that side of town, you can just get the train there, which the BTS there, which I think would be a good move for you guys. They've also got one in La Prao as well. For me, this would be the restaurant to come to because it's got a nice homely feel. It's actually their house, so it's just for these two dishes, out of 10, or in this price point, I'm gonna say 8. Solid 8.
For both of them?
Actually, this was a 10. That was a 10. That was a 7.5. So I'm gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna give it an 8. That was excellent. I mean, a 10 is, you can't get a 10. It's that good, and a 7 is like the best. So yeah, it's good.
Thank you, Gary. And don't forget to subscribe to him. But I know you guys knew him already. We finished our meal here. We have so many things because Mr. Tong, the owner, he just keep giving us stuff to eat. We have Kanom Jean, which is 10 out of 10 for Gary and for me as well. The Pad Crab House, which is for Gary is 7.5. For me, I think the same 7. But it just somehow today, maybe I haven't had it for a long time, so I really love it today. It's good. But if you come here, Kanom Jean is a must. The other thing Gary tried, he loved it, the hoi jaw, which is the big chunk of crab wrapped and deep fried with the tofu. The other thing, the Phillies dish, that's what I call to him. That is good for the kids. If you're coming to Thailand, you don't know what to order for your kids. Thod Man Kung is the one, because I always had that when I was younger. So at this place, if you come to the original one, is 10 out of 10 with the atmosphere. And you may see the owner here as well, so he'll greet you, welcome you in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to me, my channel, give me the like, and my one of the best friend Gary, the roaming cook, and hopefully he'll cook for me soon. See you guys next time. That's it for today guys. It's really delicious meal. I highly recommend you to go somewhere nearby your house, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next one.